Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on the Motorola Edge 60. Okay, so let's begin. I just downloaded my WhatsApp to show you the whole process, so simply open up your app. In here, select your language, then click on agree and continue. You can click on allow to send WhatsApp the notifications. Now simply type your phone number. So that is what I'm going to do now. Then click on next. And once you have verified your phone number, you just need to give me a few seconds because I'm still verifying. Okay. Once you have verified your phone number, you will have something like that. Contacts and media. In here, simply click on continue. Click on allow, allow, and allow. And now we have option to restore our chats. Also, if you don't know how to create WhatsApp backup, on our channel there is a video when we are showing you how to create such a backup. So if you want, you can look for it. Okay, under the chats we can see when the last backup was made, also on which hour. Below we have its size and the account on which we made it. Also, if you want to restore the backup, you need to be logged into the same account on which you made it. So it is crucial, otherwise you won't be able to restore it. Okay, and if you don't restore your messages right now, you won't be able to do it later. So remember about it. Okay, now we need to click on restore. Now the process will start. Let's wait until it gets to 100%. Okay, now click on next. Click on next again. Okay, and now, as you can see, all of the messages, including the photos and the videos, has been successfully restored. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.